Alright, good morning guys. I'm quickly going to make you a video on what your hammer should look like with all the components, and I hope this will benefit you. I'm going to place the camera as best as I can in order for me to take this apart. I hope you can see. Yeah, okay, cool. So obviously there's your hammer head. That's the one that you should have, like that. Then there's the second one. Okay, so you'll see the one plastic I have inside. The other one we didn't, because that's how it's supposed to be when the marker comes to your school. So these are the plastics that we now made and we've got. And that just goes in there, and at the end of the day, these are your two hammer heads. And you just place that there. And this is your hammer handle. So everything turns into one another. Where you've got a couple of parts. So I'm going to move the hammer head away so that we can only see and focus on the components of the handle. So, like you can see, there's two small pieces of plastic, okay? This is drilled with a 12, and that one also, and it's 10 thick, so the width of this is 10 mil by 24 mil, and drilled with a 12. And then these are the components. So how this works is, with the bottom piece of the handle, the one that you guys already made, you got to place this one little ring inside. Then you have to have the sleeve that's going to go over there, like that. Then you're going to insert your last little piece of plastic, and then on top of that is where the second handle part goes in. Sorry, I just want to grab my part in the correct hand. There we go. And then it basically just turns in like this. Alright. So that is what your handle should look like. And then obviously this, if you want to fit the one head, you're going to have the one hammer head. Okay, there we go. Which will then look like this. And if you want to use the other one, you will basically do the same. It just screws on. I'm just going to put it like that just so that you can check. And then as soon as this is pressed in, then you will have your little mallet. So that is basically your hammer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share.